Skyspace at the US Bank Tower is a lounge that allows people to get a panoramic view of Los Angeles. There's a lot of different geometry going on, a lot of points in the building that the architect seemed to want to incorporate into the design of the ceiling.
Not only were the shapes and geometry of the elements a key factor in the project, but the finish itself was also a key factor.
When an architect comes to us, they're the ones that have the inspiration. They're the ones that have that vision.
They inspire solutions. Your ideas inspire our solutions. It takes a specialized team to basically just focus on those big ideas. You know, how can we help this person really bring this to life? Because, you know, some of these designers, there's no parameters up here.
The designer's vision really was to capture that golden hour in LA and really just bring that sense of California to the space. The designer had selected a gold metal flake finish, which was something custom for us. It's not something we would typically use. That's one of the beauties of working at Armstrong. We have a way of making things happen.
We had to ensure that we matched that finish precisely. So what we did was we actually put the finish on the actual piece of extrusion that we're going to use for the project to ensure that they were going to be happy with the end result.
We really do care about their design. Everything attaches from up above, and just the nature of the louvers and the way that design worked, it really did kind of lend itself well to being able to do that and hide some of the screws and bolts and things. The louvered design, it just reminds me of some of those older cars in the 80s you would see, like just California style cars with those louvers on the back window.
This project required us to draw everything in 3D. Every part and piece was 100% drawn in 3D to ensure that it was going to fit together perfectly after being manufactured.
That's pretty much as close to bringing someone's idea to life. Like, here's a rendering of what I want. Our team was able to basically, I mean, they brought it to life. They gave them exactly what they wanted. And through install, I mean, they're taking every single thing getting hung up. They're taking pictures like this isn't, even the contractors, like, this is gonna look awesome.
I think everything came together beautifully. The photos that we had seen after everything was done for the advertisements for the Sky Lounge, it really made me want to fly out there and experience it myself.
I've seen the install and I know how happy they are with it, and it's just unbelievable. That was a phenomenal project that we were very proud of.